Aloha, and I hope you guys are doing great this morning. But guess what? Today is the start of Mercury Retrograde. It's going to start from June 18th all the way till July 12th. So it's going to be in Cancer. So this is when a lot of emotion, you get very defensive, and you also need to really concentrate in repairing yourself, or repairing the house, or repairing a lot of things, because there's a lot of emotional health that also needs to be repaired. And so I'm going to put a whole bunch of stuff in those kind of information. The reason why I always focus on these three things, hold on one second. Alexa, can you turn off the music? Thank you. Today she's listening. So the reason why I focus on like certain things, which is the new moon, for example, is coming up this Saturday on the 21st. And then we have, like I said, today we have the Mercury retrograde. So there's a lot of different kind of emotions and cleansing and things like that. So I was able to go outside and take out my, some of my like crystals, and it just needs to be repaired in place, for example. And, you know, just kind of polish it up. And during this time is a great time because you're repairing, for example, what's not really that broken, but you just need to just shine it up and bring light to it. And so this is a time where usually electronics and all these things, you know, might go into glitch and stuff like that. So use your energy, not really focusing so much of getting upset, because it's also going to get, because it's like I said, your emotional health is going to kind of stir up a lot. So here are some tips and information about the, you know, Mercury retrograde that is coming in today under Cancer, the sign of Cancer. So I'm going to list it all up. You have a great week. And don't forget, the 21st is the new moon. So start getting new ideas, new ways to start to, for example, repair around your house, because it's going to be a long retrograde to the 12th, so July 12th. So you have a lot to do. So anyways, you take care and stay safe. Don't forget, when you go out, to wear your mask. Aloha.